Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we will play Pick One, Kick One Junk Food Edition. Before we get into the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and let's get started. Pick one, kick one. Pringles or Doritos? Pick one, kick one. Pepsi or Coca-Cola? Which one do you choose, French toast or waffles? They're so tempting, I want to taste them. Let's take your pick, McDonald's or Burger King? Pick one, kick one. Fried rice or fried noodles? Which one do you choose, pasta or pizza? Pick one, kick one. Nachos or popcorn? Let's take your pick, Sprite or Fanta. That is a difficult choice, right? Pick one, kick one. Shrimp or salmon? Pick one, kick one. Peanut butter or Nutella? Which one do you choose, hot dogs or lobster rolls? Pick one, kick one. Milkshake or smoothie? Pick one, kick one. Barbecue ribs or steak? Let's take your pick, mozzarella sticks or onion rings. Not easy, right? Vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream? Which team do you choose? Pick one, kick one. Chips Ahoy or Oreo? Pick one, kick one. Blueberry pie or apple pie? Pick one, kick one. Which one do you choose? Pick one, kick one. Chocolate cake or cheesecake? Pick one, kick one. Snickers or Kit Kat? Pick one, kick one. Gummy bears or jelly beans? That's a difficult choice, right? Let's take your pick, Denny's or Waffle House? Which one do you choose, fried chicken or chicken wings? Not easy, right? Leave your comments below to let us know. Which one do you choose, potato chips or pretzels? Pick one, kick one, burrito or taco. Donuts or macarons, which team do you choose? Let's take your pick, spaghetti bolognese or lasagna. Pick one, kick one, burek or garlic bread. Pick one, kick one, mashed potatoes or baked potatoes. Which one do you choose, croissant or pancakes? Pick one, kick one, cupcakes or muffins. Pick one, kick one, French fries or wedges. Which one do you choose, chocolates or gummy bears? Hubba Bubba or Bubblicious? Which team do you choose? Pick one, kick one, KFC or Popeyes. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Factory for more fun challenges like this, and I'll see you in the next video.